Grok 1.5 is the latest Grok model right now, and you can use it to generate AI videos like your movie series, your AI ads videos, your AI influencers videos, your cooking videos, your construction videos, whatever kind of video you want to generate using AI. Grok 1.5 gives you high quality cinematic AI videos. And when you talk of the top AI video generators out there right now, Grok is topping the ladder. It is one of the best AI video generators out there right now. It gives you high quality cinematic videos, multiple camera angles, dialogue, and consistency all throughout your videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I will be sharing with you how to generate your AI videos using Grok 1.5 and Seedance for free. Let's dive into it immediately, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. First step is to go to your browser. You can either use your phone or your tablet, whichever device that has browser. Right, when you get there, you type in OII. All right, now this is it. Okay, this particular one, the one you're looking at right now, create anime videos with AI. You click on it. All right, you allow it to open up. Now this particular tool is free. All right, now you can see here you log in. Now you first thing is to log in. Okay, if you have not logged in, you need to log in. Now immediately you log in on this particular platform. Now you can log in using Google. All right, I logged in using Google. Take this out. All right, you choose any of this, which I went for animation. Okay, so this is how it looks. This will equally pop up. Now immediately it pops up, you just choose any of them and it continues. Allow it to load properly. Okay, you can see what this particular tool does. Story, animate, character design. Then you click on it, it comes out this way. All right, let's just choose any. Let's go with friends. Submit. Now you can see we have 200. You see that 200 there? Click here to make it 260. Now on a daily basis on this platform, you get 60 credits. On a daily basis, you get a 60 credits. Now make sure you answer this puzzle. Immediately you answered it, you can see we now have 620. You see that up there? We have 260. Our 60 has added. Okay, so on a daily basis you log in, you get free credit. On a daily basis you log in, you get free credit. Now having gotten 260, all right, now it's time for us to start generation. Then you come down here, you click agents, change to video. Now you see all the AI tools here, but our first video generator we will be working with will be Grok 1.5. Okay, we will be using Grok 1.5 for this first. All right, so you keep scrolling down, you see it, Grok Imagine 1.5. So you click on it, but if you keep going down, you see other tools that you can actually have access to on this platform. You can see Clean Kit here, Hello AI. So you click on Grok Imagine. Okay, we have chosen the image generator we will be using. Now you click on plus. Now when you click on plus, you are inputting the image you want to animate. Now this particular tool gives you image to video, all right, which enables consistency, and it equally does dialogue. There is dialogue. If you paste your dialogue, it gives you dialogue. All right, now having uploaded the image, you first of all need to allow it to upload. Make sure your image uploads. Now having done that, you can see I'll come back to my ChatGPT to get my prompts. Now this particular prompt has dialogue. Right, I will copy it up and head back to the site, the website, and paste. You can see it. We are using Grok 1.5. Now, as long as you want up to 15 seconds video, this particular scene, it depends on what you have to the dialogue. You can generate up to 15 seconds if you want, okay? But for me, I think 7.6 is okay because the dialogue I have here is just 2. So you click on send, all right, it starts generating your video. As you can see, now I will be playing what we generated at the end of this video so you get to see, but I want us to try and generate another video using Seedance this time around. Okay, now you have to give it time for it to generate your video, right? You can see it is actually thinking. Can see thinking. So it is actually, you can see it has generated our video. All right, now this is network that is doing this. Okay, this is our video. You right click on it and you click on download and download the video. You right click on it, then you click on download. Right click, you can see download, and you download, all right, the video which is saved. All right, it is saved. Then, having generated using Grok 1.5, let's go for Seedance. All right, let's go for Seedance. Okay, now you come up here, you see where the 3 dots is. Not this one, the one down. Take this out here, the 3 dots. Okay, you click on it. You see the plus, you click on it. That plus is another tax. Okay, there are several ways of you generating again. Either click on the video or you just click on the 3 dots and you see tax, click on plus. Now this is it. You click here, input the image. Now I will be trying another image, not that same image. Okay, let me go with this robbery. All right, always allow it to load. The uploading of the image actually takes time. Not time, do I say seconds? It takes some seconds, and it is uploaded. You must allow it to upload. Now it is done uploading my image. Okay, haven't done uploading my image, will come down. Okay, below it, this is the image. All right, let me scroll this here, click here on the agent, change it to video. Okay, now you see the Seedance. All right, you see the Seedance, different Seedance 1.5, Seedance 2.0, and Clink, so many AI video, but let's just go with Seedance 1.5 Pro. All right, now you click on it. The next thing we need to do is come here. We need to check how many minutes, or sorry, how many seconds. Okay, what determines how long your video, how many seconds is your dialogue. Okay, you cannot have short dialogue and you're making a longer video. Now I've gone to ChatGPT to include get my video prompt and dialogue. Copied it, head back. All right, paste it here. Then you click on generate and it starts generating. Okay, you can see the one I generated using Grok 1.5 is still there. I'm still generating another one. All right, now once it's done generating, it will pop up here. All right, it is not done generating. Yes, it will pop up. Let's take this out. All right, now once it's done generating, I will be playing it at the end of this video so you get to see what this particular tool generated for us, the quality it gave us. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, do drop it on the comment section. All right, and if you try this, you have any question, I want to say it on the comment section. It is still generating. Okay, so I will paste the two video we generated using this tool. Okay, so watch the video.
Are you ready to dance? Let's light